We are pleased to show you the 2017 INFINITI Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, winter package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.